Hey, what's up guys? Bodie back with another video. BodieDavison.com, check that out. So, another Teespring tutorial. Thanks so much for everyone who's been subscribing. The channel's growing nice and quickly and we're just growing this community. It's awesome. I'm loving the feedback. I'm loving that everyone's following along and growing their Teespring stores and checking out print on demand in general because as I said at the start of this year, this was something I was going to pursue, and now I'm sharing all this info with you guys. You guys have been loving it. So today we're going to talk about Teespring Trust Score and what that is, why it's important, and I'm just going to go onto the Teespring website right now and show you from those guys what they say about it, and yeah, we'll go from there. Have some comments afterwards. All right, guys, so here we are on the Teespring website. So the best part about things like this is you should always go and check it out from the horse's mouth. So I don't know if that's a saying worldwide, it's a saying here in Australia, but like you should go and check it out from the actual person or community or website that does all this stuff. So let's just check it out here. Seller trust score. Instead of me telling you what it is, let's read it straight out off the website. What are the most powerful new features? Blah, blah, blah. Go through that. So the first is to identify sellers who create quality content and comply with our design policies and give them prioritized access to the Boosted network, which is their marketplace. The second is to protect intellectual property owners or our marketplace partners and customers from poor quality. So IP infringing and offensive content. So how does your trust score impact your ability to sell with Teespring? It's got an algorithm, history, trending designs, themes, and keywords. So what you really need to do, and the reason I'm making this video is because you need to be able to get some sales straight up. So you won't go onto Teespring's actual marketplace unless, yeah, here we go. Users must maintain a good trust score in order to be eligible to sell on the Boosted network and appear within the Teespring marketplace. So this is very important. You won't be able to show up on their marketplace and get that free traffic from their marketplace if you don't get some sales straight up. So you really need to be pushing people through social media, if you want to do paid ads, you don't have to do paid ads. You can push through social media using the appropriate hashtags and stuff on Instagram that I've shown you guys. But yeah, you need to get those first few sales up. So how many sales is it? It doesn't really tell you, but I would say at least 3 to 5 sales. So having a high trust score can unlock certain marketplaces too. Only sellers with the highest trust scores can gain access to our Amazon integration, for example. And the other thing is, if you have good SEO on your posts as well, you're going to show up on Google and then sell more shirts that way. So if someone's searching a dog t-shirt, for instance, or like a Labrador t-shirt to be more specific, and then you've got a high trust score on Teespring and they're giving you a lot of boost, then you're more likely to show up on Google's algorithm as well, as long as you've done some SEO. A trust score is assigned to a seller after they get their first few sales. You must drive sales plus verify your payment information in order to receive a trust score. So just like I said there, guys. So trust score can be lowered if you're like doing anything wrong. That makes sense. How can sellers increase their trust score? Over time, the longer a seller has a Teespring account and commits no policy violations, their trust score can improve. Also, when sellers hit certain sales milestones, it can contribute to a raised score. Please note the seller's trust scores are not visible. So that's another thing I got asked as well. Can you see your trust score? But no, you cannot. So that pretty much sums it up, guys. You need to make those first few sales, as it says. So even if you got to get your family, get your friends, like anyone, you got to drive some traffic, or just use your social media, use them relevant hashtags and really push with good quality shirts, obviously, good quality designs, and then people are going to be interested in buying them anyway. So yeah, you need to make those first few sales and then it'll build up your trust score. Then you'll be on Teespring's marketplace, and then you're obviously going to get a push from that anyway because people are going to be seeing you on there. Plus, like I said, then you're going to appear on Google, and then if you keep pushing with your social media as well, then it's all going to come together and you're going to make a lot of sales. So keep pushing, guys. Yeah, really important to get those first few sales, to get that trust score and get on that Teespring marketplace. Hope you guys are loving this content. Please give the video a like for me. Please hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.